Good evening, Bridgewater families. This is Mrs. Antoine. We had a fantastic week here at Bridgewater. I didn't think that things would go as well as they did, and they actually did. Big thank you to you, especially with our morning pickup and drop off. Things have improved so much this week, and it's all because of the help that you've provided for us. I don't like to seem like the grouchy person. I don't like to be that person that's outside having to raise my voice at times. And yet at the same time, this is a week we get everything pulled together so that I can spend the rest of my year being friendly and fun and sometimes funny. Hopefully I don't fall out there, but we'll get it together. I just want to thank you again for adhering to our morning and afternoon rules. 8 o'clock is the drop off time if kids are eating breakfast. 8:10 if they're not eating breakfast. And this is so that we don't have a large gathering of students anywhere in the building or outside. Again, trying to keep this virus in check, make sure that we can stay in person. After school, at the end of the day, please, no one arriving before 3 o'clock because, again, those buses are coming through, and the less that we can be in their way, the better. And again, you all have done just a really nice job on that, and I appreciate it more than you know. Busing has done extremely well as well. Wednesdays are our best days for busing because there isn't school at the middle school or high school. So our buses are on time and ready to go on Wednesday afternoon. So hopefully we can get everyone out and turned around in good time to get them home on time on Wednesdays. Again, thank you, thank you, thank you for sending your child back to school. I so appreciate the fact that you trust us with your children. They have been incredible this week. Just nice to see all the fun faces back at school. Even though they're hidden with some masks, I can still see a lot of personalities. I take this first week and actually the first month to try to get to know all of the new kids and get to know kids by name. Hopefully by the end of the year, I've got the majority of them known by their first name. Get a few mixed up. This morning, I actually mixed up a student and their mom. Whew, that wasn't a good one, but we keep trying as hard as I can. But again, thank you. And the week went well. If you have any questions, please just give us a holler here. Thank you very much and have a great weekend.